long time ago, there was an algae that was living all alone, and of course it needed food. So, and the environment was hellish. Well, I think not to the algae, since it was surviving there, but not to the other organism. Well, actually there weren't any other organism. So it consumed the carbon dioxide and released the oxygen in the environment. It kept producing the oxygen without knowing the importance of the oxygen, neither it needed to be aware of that. So it kept producing it until the atmosphere reached the 21% of the oxygen. And then was the time when the other organisms started surviving. I mean, started growing, and it led to us humans. These are the microorganisms, which weren't even that high quality organisms, or but it made the higher organisms to survive in the environment that they were creating or they created. Now there are plants, of course, that produces the oxygen, and there are other microalgae that also produces the oxygen. That or microalgae that produce the oxygen were named as cyanobacteria, and it actually is present in the fresh. So the algae that is given in this example, chlorella, is a dietary supplement. Well, as you can see, it's green, so of course it's producing oxygen. Well, not every green can produce it, but I think in algae cases, the green algae all produces the oxygen. So it is used as a dietary supplement because it has nutrients. Actually, some algae are pretty rich in the protein as well. So if you cannot eat the meat or something like that, you can eat the microalgae, of course, thanks to the microorganism microbiology, that we found that there is a microorganism like that existing. So how can we humans leave it alone?